What is TikTok Cashbot all about? TikTok Cashbot is a bulletproof system that pays you when uploading done-for-you videos. TikTok Cashbot finds pre-existing videos proven to go viral. The more videos you upload, the more money you make. You're getting $25 minus $50 PayPal payments in just 3 simple steps. Step number 1, login. Access TikTok Cashbot online on your computer or mobile phone. Step number 2, upload. Select a done-for-you video and dump. Hit the upload button. Step number 3, receive. Make around $25 minus $50. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website. TikTok is booming right now. Once an unknown platform, TikTok is now rivaling YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. The proof is in the pudding. Downloaded over 3 billion times. 1.2 billion active users. Used by 18% of the internet. 52 minutes spent daily per user. TikTok is no longer a fringe platform for bored teenagers. It's becoming popular among all age groups. But here's a big problem with making money on TikTok. The unfortunate reality is, there are so many different obstacles like filming videos, showing your face, video editing, and this can be a nightmare. Especially if you're camera shy. I knew there had to be a much better way. I knew there was a way to make money, but without all the typical obstacles. That means, no showing your face. No expensive video equipment. No learning to edit videos. Wouldn't that be better? Allowing anyone to take advantage of the TikTok gold rush. And you know what happened? Fast forward 9 months, and we had our hands on something amazing. All you have to do is upload done-for-you videos. Let me explain why this works so well. These done-for-you videos are not ordinary videos. Far from it. They're videos that have been proven to go viral. Here's how it all works. 1. Our system finds videos that have already gone crazy viral. 2. We re-upload these videos to TikTok in just 1 click. 3. Each time we do it, we get paid around $25-50.00. The more videos we upload, the more money we make. Whenever we need cash, we simply turn on our app and begin uploading done-for-you videos. The more we upload, the more we make. Upload 5 videos equals we make $125. Upload 10 videos equals we make $250. Upload 25 videos equals we make $625. Easy to understand, right? It really isn't that complicated. And now it's your turn. How we're getting $25-50 PayPal payments in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Login. Access TikTok Cashbot online on your computer or mobile phone. Works on any device. Step 2. Upload. Select a done-for-you video and dump. Hit the upload button. 0 video editing required. Step 3. Receive. Each time we upload a video, we make around $25-50 sent to our PayPal or bank account. Click the link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online.